On today's video, we are making 100% teff injera. Today I'm using brown and ivory teff flour. So I have 2.5 cups of white or ivory teff flour, 2 cups of brown teff flour, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and 2 cups of starter. I'm going to use blender today, but you can do this by hand. And as always, I will leave the measurement, the temperature of the water in the description below. So we are going to add everything to the blender and blend it for 2 minutes. You might have to stop in between and scrape the side. And then we're going to transfer it to airtight container, add more water. And we're going to keep it in a warm spot overnight. This is what it looks like the next morning. You can see the clear separation of fluid. I'm draining most of that off, but I'm not going to discard it. Make sure you keep it, please. And then we're going to use that liquid to adjust the consistency. This recipe turned out amazing. With 4.5 cups of teff flour, I made 9 large injeras and saved 2 cups of starter for next use. I know I keep on saying this, but I love teff. It's so frugal. A small amount goes a long way. Just want to say thank you so much for watching again. I hope to see you in the next one. But I want to ask you one favor. Please do let me know if you try these recipes. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and share and like this video if it helps you. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.